On this episode of RT Spotlight, I am here vibing with the youngest of the Bonner brothers. His parents named him Glenroy Bonner, but we know him as
Snatcha Lion, you don't know, you know?
Lion.
Up full, my brother.
All is well, sir?
All is great, man.
All is great.
You see it?
Listen, when they say great, man, apply as the year of years.
They don't know, are the same family,
the same
so,
family.
you know?
Yeah, Miss Violet, boy, them.
Yeah, Miss Violet.
Yeah, well,
boy,
I'm a sci-fi.
Banner boy, them.
So is everything good, Jeddah?
Everything wonderful, man. I
Yeah,
take
man.
it one step at a time, you know?
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The world know Spanner, the world know Richie, the world know Pliers.
Yeah.
Yeah? The world need to know Snatcha Lion as well.
True.
Yeah? That man there.
Well, yeah, it's about time. Well, I want to tell you, so we did that from long time, as you know, because music is my love, you know?
Yes.
And I'm a passion, and it never leave me.
Yeah.
So, and it will be always be there, because if I do something else and I not do it, I go feel awkward. So I have to just do what I do, and so till just say, boy, whatever.
Yes. But we could just backtrack a little bit. You're the youngest of you're the last one.
Yeah, man, the last one, you know.
And you would have grown up in Rockall just like everybody else.
Yeah, man, same, so, you know.
Same settings.
Yeah, same setting, same household, and
Yeah.
bigger brother them send we out, you know. You see, the thing when my father and my mother, you know, they see the eldest sibling in my boss, you know.
Oh, okay.
So whatever
Him say,
him
so
or
it go.
she say, you have to go by it, you know. So it's just a farmer principle.
Schooling, Rockall too?
Same way.
Same way.
I got Rockall all school,
Yeah.
and then I took a exam and I passed, you know.
good thing. So like a common entrance.
Well, I never common entrance. I grade 9
Grade 9 achievement
and then,
test,
yeah, and
okay.
then send one to something for that. I sent
St.
Mary's
Mary's
College and made pass it, you know.
Yeah. So after St. Mary College, you attend any farmer schooling?
Well, the only other farmer schooling is St. George's Extension College.
Okay, cool man. Cool.
When you know, from that, you know, I say, boy, some more subjects, and we went to St. George's Extension.
Yes, man, that's what I say.
Yeah.
So you was a man, you know, you grew up with your brothers them, you know, first Pliers, second on the road, then Spanner, then Richie. You grew up seeing your brothers them growing in the music, becoming stars in their own right.
Yeah.
Was that the reason why you decided that music is something you want to take on, or music is something inside of you? Because some people are going to look at the thing and say, yo, Snatcha just take up the thing because his brother them a star already. No?
Because we were there before they were stars.
Mad.
See?
Yes.
Because before Players Bus, I was there
Right.
as a kid. Seeing, and before Spanner same way, Richie come and Rurse same way. And me I sing from earlier school, from the Rockall earlier school.
Okay.
Because apparently seeing from any concert call, you know them just call me because I just something I love. I want to tell you, say me, even when Spanner get life goes on and bus. I'm dip on the road. Me there in a club I sing with him as a school youth.
As a school youth?
Yeah, so me don't know how it come from. I must show the father and show the lineage of I bloodline.
Yeah.
But my father was a little drummer boy.
Yeah, man, I know daddy used to play a drum.
And my mother have a powerful voice.
So in the blood?
Yeah, so me don't know.
Right.
But me just love what me do. And
So you never take on the music because of your brothers them person?
No.
While that them probably give you some motivation, that wasn't the initial motivation.
No, because I went to, apparently I was one of the, me and my last sister, we were the only one who went to college.
Oh, okay.
I want to show you, so from me I go earlier school when Players Bus. and thing, the first car will normally go home for lunch. Car we live near,
the school, right.
But you players bus and come check we and give me a little money. Me no bother go home for lunch that day.
Oh, you're good.
Me good, me still,
you know. That at school.
You know, for sure, you know, because we were originally from a humble background. And when players bus, we just say, boy, we always give him the energy, you know, so.
Nice. So whilst you were, you know, singing from your all-age school and thing, and, you know, you like the music, when you really decide to say, look here, yeah, I just feed my brother them, and I want to use that something I feed my family too.
Well, I want to say, I when me graduate from St. Mary's College. Yeah, because I say, boy, I have, you know, few subject now, I can apply for a job.
Yeah.
So I start go out there and write application until my finger them.
Tired?
No, me write application, right? And me try. And me try, but through all along, me still a sing because even though, you know, but, you know, me try when the time I get to work, now I go woodwork shop for sand down some chair and the man them say, yo, you get a job work, you know, and the man give me 40 chair by the time I did done them the smooth.
Rub them off long time.
Because I check support 1 chair 20 and I add it up, so I work. See, but at the end of the day, I have to borrow all money from my mother to take bus. To go work and them something done. You know. But through in school, you know, I love accounts. See? So, you know, me even the first time when I left school, players put like a business in my hand for run.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I know I go to school, I know I have
You go to school.
You know, some of us do it at workout, you know.
Okay.
But I do some music from day one still. But through all of this and all of that, I never stop writing song and rehearse and, you know.
Yes. So you know, as I said, your brothers them out there and thing. And you said that you're out on the road with Spanner in a unit while you go to school. I think see me or Richie.
Spanner. One time it was a circle community concert in the school, and you know Spanner as a big artist, I sing, and I did and so me love it and thing.
Yeah.
And me just touch the mic and the people them they love it and you know.
Yes.
Just go and build the vibe same way.
So which one of your brother them really and truly kind of take you under them wings early out when them say a music a thing there? Because we know them kind of players around the world all about him and Chaka and thing and Spanner name out there already and thing. Richie did probably still a look a football in the thing. So who really take you up and say alright?
Professionally was players. Because the first song I ever recorded was African Woman. Produced by players on the ballroom floor rhythm.
We do a ballroom floor rhythm about it.
Dung, dung, dung. See? Yeah, man.
How old were you at the time?
Time that I look at you, a toddler, I look at you, you know?
Yeah.
But we love the music, so, you know, them, they say...
And what you say song name again?
The song was African Woman.
Yeah, on the ballroom.
On the ballroom floor rhythm.
How that song they do? Like...
It sell. I want to tell you, say, yo, watch out. It sell, because you're in time, I'm not telling the line of vinyl, you know.
Yes.
Our players produce it.
Yeah.
Seeing so, record the 500 record guns in Ghana foreign send.
That's sell, man.
Then send back for 500
record
Africa. So I say, boy, I feel good now myself. I say, boy, yeah, I sell. And I feel good. So them things they give an encouragement. So I have to big up players anywhere they in the world. Like like France, Germany, Jamaica. See, because him, you know, him give me that first, you know.
Yes. And you say, you know, people start take on the song and things. So how the thing progress after that door?
After that, there was the song with me and Richie Spice.
99.
Yeah, 99. Yeah, It Not Pretty at all. Them call it on the record, Living Ain't Easy. But the people them nice street
It Not Pretty.
say It Not Pretty at all. That was the song who really put Snatcha Lion on the map.
Yes.
And make me start take plane and go foreign.
Make it things all look pretty.
And make me things start look pretty. Seeing me start buy 2 extra pair of
Nothing wrong with that.
sneakers. Seeing and them thing there.
Shows to the power foot, man.
Yeah, and me I try, but all of that, you know, it's still never easy because me get a son them time there, and you have to provide. If you have a youth,
You have to provide, man. How old were you at the time?
In time, them me are 21, 22.
Oh, okay.
Seeing and seeing, we did there, I do it and we born on the side, you know. Me not go hide, me no come from
Cherry Garden.
Cherry
Jackson.
Garden, me no come from Jackson, me no come
Narbrook.
from Narbrook or Spanish, so me come from Rock. Yeah. I'm born on the rock.
Yeah.
Seeing, my mother was a higgler. My father was a masoner. He makes stone wall. All of them.
Oh, mason
wall,
man.
Yeah, he chop wall and mix.
Chop stone and
Yeah,
make wall.
yeah, he was a mason and him do farming. I want to do it on the land, so you know, we try to make ourselves occupied and we do things. You see me I say so.
So it's not easy at all. I think that song came out 1999
Yeah.
in that region.
Yeah,
there.
man.
Whose idea was it? Was it your idea or you bring on Richie? It was Richie's idea and him bring on you.
Well, the thing is it, you know, Richie was and still is the artist. See? Because it was his album that was being produced by players.
Oh, okay, okay.
And he said, well, yo, I could put Snatcha on one track. And I met the rhythm. And we go check Richie. Because musically, we take it serious. Just like how people get up and go them 9 to 5. We take our music seriously.
Yeah.
See? So, me live a Rockall, then time the Richie Spice live a Daytona.
Okay.
And I get up every morning and check him.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, because...
Where you go?
Yeah, because sometimes, you know, I'm a bigger brother and he might can't afford to pay the taxi.
Yes.
So I might can hitch a ride and go with him at studio. That me I do. Seeing so, one day now when players say boom, bam, 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 we get the rhythm now, the song. And him comes up, boom, and find this style say, it not pretty. See, him find that. And then me answer him and say, it not pretty now. It not pretty now. See? And go, and the song was it became
a big song, right?
#1 for 2 weeks in Jamaica. The video was wild, man. People love the video. You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. People love the video. So, you know, me give thanks for the blessing. I just a thing where it's not like say, boy, I just me. If me not do it, if me there a Europe and me not do it, me I go feel like me lose my purpose. Because that me fi do.
Yes. Is a Snatcha Lion a singer or is a DJ?
Well, right now, you know, you see, I started out singing in the first instant.
Right.
But then through, you know, looking through the music and trying to be creative and different, I start DJ, because I see
DJ.
players are sing,
Spanner sing, Richie I sing.
So I say, make me DJ and put like a difference.
Yes.
But when me go so boom and do my thing and go in on my thing and go and research, me thing turn out to and sing J style.
Sing J style.
So in a really a straight singing and
DJ.
It turns something different.
Yes. It not pretty at all. Big up a couple line out of your part, you know.
Boom! From here does a lot we a fight it. Fi overcome the struggle when hungry ya bite we. Enough time crime, one get all of me. Psalms 35, no element can touch me. Yes, mother banner, your flag a wave high. Enough time that let you down, but me never stop try. Have to make you proud, now go sponge panel. One me mother fi proud, that's the truth, that no lie. We tell them say,
it not pretty, no.
It not pretty at all, man. You know, see it?
And you said that song that kind of come on your personal life change it.
Change from that, you know, from starting in music. Everything just changed from that, you know, for me, because I just from one stage to another stage, me used to hang out up a Bojo Bantan studio. After that. Yeah, man, on Reddy's Road. I can't tell you. Bojo, anyway, you're there, Snatcha Lion. Big up yourself here. Enough love. And me there with him. And he give me a run at this studio, my voice 2 songs. Film, man, we did a few a while and we'll vibe.
Which 2 songs those?
Me never
You don't remember them?
Me not,
Then a release?
I then no release, I don't hear them.
Oh, okay.
But me give thanks for the energy. My voice 2 songs and when I time he said, go spread your wings! And I did spread my wings.
Yeah.
You understand? Because he must say, boy, I might be, me not think I want to do so I got Scorpion, I got Jammy. So
you're all about the place.
Yeah, I'm going to record
And yeah, look it.
Yeah.
Because whilst your brothers them and them have name, you never really sit down and really depend on for them energy.
No, because you can't do that. Every man is a man, you know, because every man has to provide for him family. And once he's a man, automatically I go develop a family. Whether you like it, yes or not.
True.
So, you know, friend comes up, boom, I have a woman and so you have a youth, maybe 2.
Yeah.
So you have to go look out for them. So you can't look for a man for say, well, and boy, you have to go look out for you and you pick it.
Yes.
How kind of something that?
You don't look good for
No,
you.
sir, that could look good. A man could have be biggest millionaire. I'm in a business with a man money.
Yes.
It's not a land money, it's not a land money. I work very hard in the street, hustling and juggling to make 2 ends meet. Not to say, boy, take away nothing from nobody to make anybody cry. You see me, I say, we just sing music, and if you can make a honest hustling, we make a honest.
Yes. When you started out, because the name of your birth certificate is Glenroy Bonner.
Yeah.
The name that you started out with was Snatcha Dog.
Yeah,
How you call it, man?
Well, you know, say, when I time, you know, I did the and even Snatcha Dog first, I did Night Snatcher, you know.
Say that again?
Night Snatcher.
Night Snatcher.
Because the first song when I record, named African Woman,
right,
came out and Night Snatcher name.
Oh.
We sell a whole heap as me.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
So, I tell you, after that now, when we change the name now, I want my voice the song with which name It Not Pretty. Because I come to boom and down my room and I rehearse every day, you know. Because, you know, I get to one tape and I rehearse. And I find one side and say, see?
Oh.
And I make the sound and the sound hit.
It is a hit
so,
sound.
man, them say, boy, I have to change your name to Snatcha Dog, you know.
Yeah. Who's this players?
Yeah, players, yeah, you have to change your name to Snatcha Dog. I'm change my name to Snatcha Dog.
Yeah.
Say, you know, you have to got to the style hit. And the style hit, but I want to tell you, say, boy, the music really tough. And in them time, they never have anybody with a focus on me if you say, yeah, deal with me.
As a manager?
Me was just a man at that time who I sing song and love song and God say me love the music. And I get a song and a video and people could recognize me. Nice. And I continue until now. And I give God thanks until now. Seeing so, you know, I just say music.
Yes. So when you change over from Snatcha Dog to Snatcha Lion?
When?
Yeah. Or why? And why?
Well, because I want to tell you, say, look into vibes and, you know, when I time I check Capleton, you know, and tell them my name Snatcha Dog, you know. And Pinchers walk in and hear me and say, Snatcha Dog. And Capleton bun and say, yo, man, a lion, man, how you deal it? See? So as I youth, you know, developing and growing in the street and amongst the music, we never just born and come become where we is. Everybody have to, if you even plant a seed, it have to germinate in the soil and bust up and then it grow and then it, before it bear. So we have to learn. So going through, I say, boy, yo, me I get more mature now, you know. So boy, yo, lion rule the jungle, you know. So me just go and rule the jungle. It's not a lion.
So Capleton and Pinchers, it kind of have a look of input in that.
Yeah, because me look into myself. Me go home, you know, because, you know, through the day, you know, me go look on the reasoning.
Yeah.
And me go look into myself.
A good look, one.
Yeah, man, so, you know.
After Living Ain't Easy or Not Pretty At All, which was the next song where people kind of, you know, give a listen here so we kind of, the street kind of hug up and accept?
Well, a song named I Will Fight For My Cause.
I Will Fight For My Cause.
Where I did that song for Arif Cooper.
Arif, fame.
On the Guardian Angel rhythm. But most of the promotion, I may do it myself.
Oh.
Because to me, it's not that big name.
Yeah.
Every song where me voice on a rhythm, I have to go out and push it out myself.
I respect that
So
still.
I just saw it go, me go out and push. And I want to show you, say, me sit down in a Pegasus hotel and hear fight for me cause play.
Yeah.
And I did and hear that and I say my work and I feel good in myself because no producer never push me. I mean push myself. And
Mad.
God.
And God.
God in front and me
Yes.
in him footstep.
Fighting for one cause, you say, right? There a couple line out right now.
I will fight for my cause. We no fear them Eden. I will fight for my cause. Pass the pickaxe, make we pick them. Now compromise on my journey. We praise His majesty. He showed us His mercies. Why? Them a war, them a shoot, them a cuss. Head a bust blood, a rush, them a fuss. Some a hustle, them a shuffle, some a thief. So you take a stand, so a bad man and grief. Nobody try this rasta and not the least. As them see you take a stand. Easy, as Snatcha said that. I will fight for my cause.
Fight for my cause. Guardian angel.
Yeah, man. From that, you know, we went on and we did a song with Fatis Borrell before he passed. A long name Ego.
Ego.
You know, a song we say, don't be misled by your egos. Cause I say in this time, quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to wrath. So me say yes, don't be misled by your egos. I've seen so many die just because their egos. Yeah. I feel stand up firm up in a Babylon. Now I follow the wicked and go do the wrong. No show off on your brother through your by the van. And your money get big like fi Matalan. Better you tell the get the youth them fi know themselves. Stand up for something, proceed for your wealth. Pray to Master God and Him will improve your strength. The future is in your hands. I said, don't be misled by your egos. And at that we see enough. Get a youth to get
them ego
misled by
them
now,
astray,
them
right?
ego, because we see the people killing and shooting and them things there, which never have to be a must.
Yes.
Where if you make a second thought in yourself and say, boy, if me do that, the outcome I go do that, we're going to reach my family and my family. Still, in a life, certain things are going kind of car, can run a knife right through his brother's navel. So them things they're from
the beginning.
creation. So for me and you, if you change it just like that, you just need the people out there to come together as one, you know, and we make this thing happen. Selassie I.
Man. So you're out there and you've been a do it, yeah?
Yeah.
And you know, enough time people kind of rely upon the strength of, you know, people around them. Because you said that your three brothers, them name seal and sign and out there in the streets.
Yeah.
But you never really sit down and try ride the wave there.
No, I'm there everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, every studio, me there a voice and a perfect me
The craft.
my craft. I work
Yeah.
on my craft. Every opportunity me get to record to try and make myself better.
You never get no pushback because of who your brothers are. You know, like, cause you know, people are people. And you know, people will say, sorry for cutting, you know, your brother them have them name already and you try, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Probably this enough for you. You ever deal with that?
Yeah, man. Enough time, man. People might come and say, boy, this and say that, but we always are do with thing, you know. We always are do with thing. I want to tell you, say, the first time I won a competition was in my school, you know, in St. Mary's
College.
when I go a some, make a teen splash thing, go perform. But through me win, the people them say them all beat me.
Yeah?
Because should me win. You know, see it, but the people them my friend, that's why I love people, you know.
Yeah.
People them in the community around Red Hills and Rockall run up with me about 19 youth walk up and say, nah, beat it today, no you. Just because you sing one song and win one something, and the girl in the community win, them I go beat you. And I beat you today. So, you know, we just go and do what we do, and we now watch where rich players are superstar. Mega superstar, as me know.
Yes.
Richie a big superstar and Spanner a superstar. And me nah try pattern none of them.
Right.
Me I do my thing and whatever come out of me thing, make me give God thanks. And me give God thanks so far because, you know, me been places and me do my work and spread the music and me say the songs when me sing. Me stand up at front stage and see people are singing, it's not pretty at all. And me feel good about that.
Yes, you say I've been places. Like?
Well, you know, I want to tell you, say, me go Africa.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Enough man of this is decades and a reason of
Yeah,
that
man, me go Africa.
For your own or you go with one of your brother?
Players carry me go Africa.
Players.
Players carry me go Africa. You know, players are my boss, you know. Anything him will call me and say, boy, Snatcha, yo, players carry me go Africa. It's one of the greatest experience me ever have.
Can't imagine. Which part of Africa?
Uganda, you know.
Uganda.
I even give me a lot of confidence in myself and say, boy, yo, go for the even there too.
Okay.
Perform and go for see piece of works.
Go for see piece of works.
Yeah, and I want to tell you, say, even if I can talk, pan teach them something.
Yeah, man, talk, man.
I want to tell you, say, I'm Chaka never got the show, and I just go.
I'm feeling with
Because
Chaka.
I was the opening act.
Okay.
But the thing will reach me was a dangerous thing, you know. See, a dangerous thing reach me.
Yeah.
Because when they see call on the opening act on the stage, the people them say, welcome on stage, Chaka Demos and players. And the whole stadium going to Europe. And then they say, no, I know Chaka Demos and players. I Snatcha Lion. The whole place go quiet. So I say, but how me I go deal with this now?
A dangerous situation.
Nobody no know me, you know. At front of the River Nile, we see police there. I say, what me I go do now? And the thing is, the people might expect Chaka show. Chaka never come. Chaka never forward that show.
Yeah.
But me go step up on the stage and see me and go sing I will fight for my cause. And the people them listen me out right through when I respect, you know. Uganda, everywhere, no they over the world. The people them listen me out right through.
Yeah.
But then, after that long, players have to come on the stage and apologize to the people and say,
Chaka not there.
he could make it because he was in alcohol and he just could make it for real.
Okay.
You understand? But through everything contract, I want to make it thing nice.
Make it
and the
work.
show worked great. Because even the next man who see it on the TV, people enjoy the show.
So you go back on stage with players?
Yeah, and go perform Murder Show album.
Mad.
When me take 3 days for rehearse.
Yeah?
Chaka lyrics them.
3 days?
Yeah. All when me the backstage, me a rehearse. You see me I say? Figure up on the stage. So you know who is Snatcha Lion. People.
They want to do. While me there do a little thing before, you know, forward and I realize that a whole heap of songs out there with Snatcha Lion name beside it.
Yeah, right now I have a lot of songs.
Before we even do that, yeah, Richie have a couple other songs. Zine?
Yeah, man.
Other than It Not Pretty, like Plant a Tree.
Yes,
And No War.
Yeah, No War. Yeah, you know, where we get a good vibes and the people them love the continuity, you know. So, you know, we always try to provide that music. And, you know, a lot of things coming. Because we have an album that we working on together. And it's
you and Richie?
Me, Richie,
the brothers?
Yeah, the brothers.
Okay.
It is gonna manifest through the powers of Rastafari. Yeah, you know.
Other tune out there are Who Am I, Rising Eye, Creation, Love Boat, Quality.
Love Boat, no, me say something about Love Boat.
Yeah.
Love Boat depend on the automatic rhythm. As me I tell you, so from and if you can very remember what I hear Love Boat play on radio, but it's a bad song. Everywhere me go, people love it.
Yeah.
Me go a Europe and tour with Richie, and people say it's my favorite song on the CD.
But they not play on the radio boy.
They not play on the radio boy. Yeah. So all of them things they give me a little more encouragement for do my work no matter when nobody wants it.
Tune like Quality again.
Yeah, where you get a lot of feedback in Jamaica, you know. You know, see.
Loving With Your Energy. Next tune that.
Yeah, man, a song where we did, you know, a good look a while ago, you know.
Yeah, and there's a tune I call Prayer. I listen to the tune today for the first time. I'm going to be honest with you, Zine. And you know, a regular way people say, oh, Father, pray and try to sing it and then something. But when I listen to that tune there, it's a different approach and a different vibration.
Yeah, because the music spiritual, you know, and we sing from our soul, you know. That is why me couldn't look on you and say I'm a hardcore DJ.
Right.
I'm that fool, I try to fool the people. I can't try to fool the people because I go show. It's a sing J man. I sing from my soul. So you go hear something I come out of me because that is a lineage where me come from.
Since you release a song named Nice Look Video, because I pre-video and thing, you roll.
Yeah man, that I go on right now and I want to tell you say, Marlon reggae music, big up yourself every time. Seeing because he produced that song
Okay.
and made that video and it is going on well. 4 weeks the video release and it gets 7,000 odd views already. And we are about to shoot a little mini movie on it.
Okay, cool man.
So, you know, sometimes people are COVID-19, people want something to watch and laugh and feel good about.
It's true.
It's all about entertainment. So whatever we can do to enhance the music, you know, we are about it.
Concrete Jungle again. So
Yes,
next tune in our
yes.
catalog.
I want to tell you, say, that song is released now on all social media platforms if you want to get it live. And I did a remix with me and Louis Culture.
Yes?
Yeah,
Concrete
man.
Jungle?
What me say? Living in this ghetto is a concrete jungle. Every day is a struggle. Fi find little food is a hustle, is a big clean, a pretty young. Men a became lovers of themselves. Nobody not show no pity. Them a pity, them a live too shitty. The road is so long, so long, so long. The battle is so rough, so rough, so rough. Still we're not giving up. No way, no day. Man, I go out, they go out, they go out, they go out, they.
And you said that's a remix with Gangali.
Yeah, man, old Gangali, you know?
Yeah, man. You said there's a video for that song?
No, we're not video it
No,
yet,
no
you
video
know,
yet.
but we have it in mind for you know?
Okay. The thing is that, Snatcha, the catalog probably bigger than enough people seem to think. Because the music not really get the love around here.
Yeah, because if me can do a whole stage show by myself right now, because that is why I'm there and teach them. Because there's a lot of songs over the years, but enough compilation album too.
Yes.
Seeing because even Love Boat depend the automatic.
Right.
rhythm
And I'm big with him that.
where Donovan Jermaine produce and out them go Africa go hear it. We just a keep a do what I do. Cause as a tree, you know I go just find a tree just grow and just bear one crop and just done. Once a tree is a tree and God give a time in a life. Naturally.
Yes.
See, naturally speaking, it go come and grow a crop and so till just say.
You ever feel frustrated seeing that the music a yard really? Because apparently overseas people are kind of take on to the music. But Pony Rock here, the love for the music not really as probably where they want to be. You ever get frustrated and feel like, yo, that's what me and I work out?
Enough time, you know. Enough time I get frustrated, man. That's what I say. Cause you're a human being, you know. Our blood run through vein. And sometimes we spend the time and we sit down and write the song. And we put all that best in it and say, boy, yeah, that I go sound good to the people. And we hear some other thing I play. And most of the DJ them we say them a support the thing. All the violence thing and shot in the head and them something there. And them, the same DJ, them a promote it. So them can't say nothing about it and say, boy, I know them. Them now play the song them where them supposed to play for the people them here in them ears. All of them. So when you do when you sit down by one place, or not even me, a next artist or who spending time and write the music and put it together. Them don't want to hear you if you bust out a skull or something like that. Me not too specially dig that. No, that and no music. Because if you sit down in a your house on Sunday daytime, you and your 4 kids or your 3 kids or your 1 child and your wife. You don't want to hear that, brother. You know, see, so you must eat a food thing, so I don't really know about it still.
Speaking about that, the success that Snatcha has experienced is he able to, you know, honeymoon separate from him brothers, sustain him family and put key food on him family table?
Well, we have always been doing that, you know. Seeing? Because, as I say, we don't really depend on one means for income, for survive. Because if you do that dead for hungry, because mood me am sent out of music business. Saying because you have some people who in some higher rank we say, boy, really. But through me love music why me sing, then can't take all of the riches and the gold. I have to live me a rasta. Seeing so nobody can say, boy, alright, I go fight against Snatcha Frank, do that, or fight against Snatcha Frank up on one show. You see me I say, true you know, say me I sing the song them where universe want to hear. Take your riches and your gold. Me love my music, me go and sing, but me I feel live.
Yes. What is Snatcha's ultimate goal musically though? What the thing that way, you know, after Snatcha pass and gone, you want to live on?
Well, we not deal with passing. So you have to change that. We deal with forthcome.
Yeah.
So we not deal with pass.
So when the time to forward, yeah?
When the time to forward, we not the Rasta not deal with pass, we deal with forthcome.
Yes, sir.
So the music where I sing now, I want people can enjoy themselves and learn something from it. And get an idea from it. And feel good. Seeing whether and must influence your figure do something bad.
Right.
But influence your figure do something good. That is where
positivity, upliftment, consciousness.
My thing, me want left hand, that's when a man hear a Snatcha song play, is either he can go love up a woman or he can influence him if he go do something good.
See the maths. You write all your songs there?
Well, mostly. But sometimes we sit down as brothers and we write songs because music is a people thing and one man thing if you say, boy, me I wear a suit, you know. And me an artist and me I wear a suit. So anything when me say go is a people thing because when the music play, you don't play for one person, you play for everybody. So and nothing if a man say, boy, you can't change that or put in that. Or
I do it that way then.
Yeah.
You write for anybody? Like officially, formally?
Well, I can, but I never did.
Okay.
But I can, but I never ventured on that level. You see me?
So I go on. So, Snatcha, you debut and you do the thing.
Always.
Your way, in a year time.
Yeah.
In a year lane.
Yeah,
and your name.
Yeah, man, you know, see it. Just to say, you know?
Yes. For the people out there who they want to get in touch with Snatcha for whatever reason. You understand?
Yeah, me have a business WhatsApp number. 452-2884.
Run it again.
452-2884. Seeing on my Instagram, a real Snatcha Lion. Seeing on my Facebook, a Glenroy banner. You know want no more information?
No, I think they can find you after that. Yeah, the songs them when you record already do a Snatcha. Is there a song in the catalog where resonate to them more than the others? Like, you know, that song they're the one you go to song in your quiet time or you know what I mean?
Me think about.
Right. It your you know what I mean?
Well, there's this song, you know, named I Will Fight for My Cause.
Oh yeah, we talked about it earlier.
And I want, and the reason why I stand on feet because I go down to Africa go sing it. After them introduce to big superstar them come sing on the stage. And then me, when nobody know, I have go sing it. So we always sing that song there. I will fight for my cause, you know, the music and everything.
Yeah. The work, Snatcha, is it, I know you said one song earlier, the song with Concrete Jungle, you say it's available on all of the social media platforms. All of the music can be found on the streaming platform, you know, the Spotify,
yeah,
iTunes
I want to tell you, yeah man, I have another song out on the Raggedy Joe production.
Oh, okay.
Scene.
What the title?
Last Forever.
Last Forever.
Let's show them what this love can do. Show them we're gonna last forever. Let's show them that this love is true. Show them we're gonna last for long. Yeah. Pan VPAL. up and
Oh,
out. You know?
V-Pal, okay. So other songs up on this too?
Well,
Or that is the only track that's right now?
yeah, and V-Pal,
Okay.
you know.
And if you get the song them on the streaming platform, them a stream people are stream music in a Snatcha.
You know, so I just the producer them and things to get the thing up.
Yes.
We just can't do what we can do because we have so much things to even think about and things. Sometimes some things are going to slip away.
Yes.
Unless we employ somebody if you say, boy, boom, bam, bam, because we can't do everything as artists.
Yes.
Because you have to think about the next song.
But no, you're still young in terms of, you know, your musical journey.
Yeah.
Probably, you see me? But you would have seen from your brother's experience and other artist's experience that when it come on to publishing and royalties, there are issues. You think kind of balance that way they already are, you work on it.
I work on everything, man. I get it locked. Sound exchange and
Mad,
you know,
mad.
You see me, I say, because, you know, we have got people and look, and so
Yes.
I go on.
You would have had your fair shares of, you know, obstacles and challenges along the journey, despite the fact that you have musical heritage. Some man have that, yeah? And them a try to do the thing by them own. Young youths, I do some good music, but them not getting a chance in the space. What kind of words of encouragement you have for them ones?
When I say, boy, at the new age and the new time, I'll get the youths, musicians, artists, where I do nothing. The social media dead. Seeing so you can Google any little thing and know and set a thing, you know. The paperwork get all of them things in intact first. Seeing, you know, even if, you know, so this time at the COVID-19 time I go on now, so artists can just take a little time together and do all of them.
Do the business part of the business.
The business part of it and, you know, and go and sing.
Brother Snatcha, go and do the thing, brother.
Yeah, man, one love, you know.
Yeah, man, it's a good music, brother.
Yeah.
Can never die.
I show, man, forever, you know. Show them what this love can do. Teach them.
Mad.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.